Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your iPhone suddenly stuck on a white screen and completely unresponsive? Chances are, you're dealing with the infamous iPhone white screen of death. But don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 effective methods to fix this issue and get your iPhone back to normal. Let's dive in. Method 1. Charge and force restart iPhone. Start by plugging your iPhone into a charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Then, force restart your device. Here's how. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Method 2. Repair iPhone with iSumsoft iOS Refixer. First, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Then boot your iPhone into recovery mode. To do this, press and release volume up quickly. Then do the same with volume down. Finally, hold the side button until you see recovery mode. On your computer, make sure iTunes is installed, but you don't need to use iTunes. Then download and install iSumsoft iOS Refixer on your computer. This is a specialized iOS repair tool that can help you fix various common iOS issues without losing data, including the iPhone white screen issue. You can download and install this tool by clicking on the link in the description below. Then launch the program. Choose System Repair. Choose Standard Mode. Click Start to proceed. Click Next. The software will automatically detect your iPhone. Click Download to download the firmware required to repair iOS. Finally, click Repair to start repairing your iPhone. The repair was successful. Your iPhone will restart normally. Then you can continue to use it without any problems. Method 3. Factory restore iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Then boot your iPhone into recovery mode. Then open iTunes on your computer. Choose Restore. Click Restore and Update. Click Agree. iTunes will automatically restore your iPhone to its factory settings. This process will erase your iPhone and reinstall the latest iOS. The restore is complete. Your iPhone will restart normally. Then set up your iPhone as new, and you're good to go. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.